Fal.Ai honest review. I'm going to tell you if Fal.Ai is actually worth using or just another flashy AI platform. Fal.ai lets you run powerful open source models like Stable Diffusion, Whisper, and Llama. Straight from your browser, no setup, no local GPU needed. It's fast, clean, and made for creators who want instant results without touching code. The good, it's one click simple, surprisingly smooth, and handles image generation, transcription, and text tasks easily. Perfect for devs, marketers, or artists testing ideas fast. The catch, some models feel limited, and advanced users might want more control or custom tuning. But if you want access to real AI power without hardware stress, Fall.ai is absolutely worth trying.